When I try to change the video mode or any other settings in here, I can't change anything. There is a warning if a graphics settings are near or exceed the suggest resource limit for your system. To fix this problem, just close off this game. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. And right click on the blank area and select new and select text document. Name it as command line. See, MM and D command line and press enter. Open the command line folder. Check my video description for this text used in my video. Just copy and paste in here. Select file and select save option. Once you save this, launch the game. Now you can go to options, go to graphics. And you can able to change the graphic settings as you can see. You can able to change the resolution to monitor's resolution. Press the spacebar key and press enter to save it. I can able to change anything in this settings and save it guys now. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.